In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use monday.com for nonprofit project management. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, the first step is to use a template. Head over to your workspace and look for the option to start with a template. This is a great way to hit the ground running. In the Templates Center, you can search for a project template specifically designed for nonprofits. Once you find a template that suits your needs, simply click on Use Template to create a pre-structured board that's tailored to nonprofit work, complete with relevant columns and views. Now that you have your template ready, let's customize your tasks. Take a moment to review the example tasks provided on your board, which might include items like research, monthly sync, and kickoff meeting. These placeholders give you a solid starting point. Click into each item to explore how fields such as owner, status, due date, and notes are organized. Here's where you can really make this board your own. Edit these placeholder tasks to accurately reflect your actual activities by renaming them, adjusting the dates, and assigning them to the appropriate team members. This way, everyone knows who is responsible for what. Next, let's visualize your timeline. Navigate to the Gantt view, which you can find at the top of your board. This visual representation of your project timeline allows you to see at a glance how tasks overlap, which is incredibly useful when planning events or grant-related work. As you examine the Gantt chart, feel free to adjust dates or expand details directly within the chart. This tailored approach will help you refine your schedule, ensuring that everything flows smoothly. Finally, tracking and updating progress is crucial, especially within a nonprofit team that relies on collaboration. Utilize status labels such as "working on it" to communicate how tasks are progressing. Regularly updating these fields will allow the entire team to see, at a glance, what is currently in progress versus what has already been completed. This transparency helps everyone stay on the same page and can lead to more efficient teamwork and productivity. By starting with a suitable template, customizing your tasks, visualizing your timeline, and keeping track of your progress, you can effectively manage your nonprofit projects on monday.com. This platform can truly streamline your processes and enhance team collaboration, making it easier to focus on your mission. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find these tips helpful in your nonprofit management journey. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable insights.